welcome to the second of the two videos for homework A2, and in this one we're going to be looking at how we substitute values into expressions and formulae. First of all, a little question: what is an expression? Well, an expression is a collection of terms without an equal sign. So for example, 5x plus 3y, just hanging around like that on its own, is an expression. If you put an equals sign in, it becomes an equation. Okay, so let's have a look. Substitute, and this is substitute just like in sport when a substitute is made. We're going to take a letter off and put a number on instead of that letter. So we might have something like that. Find the value of 5a plus 3b when a is 3 and b is 4. Let's have a look at it up there. Now, first thing we need to know is that 5a means 5 multiplied by a, and 3b means 3 multiplied by b. Now what we're going to do then, so 5a is 5 multiplied by a, 3b is 3 multiplied by b. We're going to change a for 3. So a comes off, 3 goes on, and we're going to change b for 4. So b comes off, 4 goes on. And now we work it out. Well, 5 3s is 15, 3 times 4 is 12, add them up, 27. So we found the value of 5a plus 3b when a is 3 and b is 4. Let's have a look at another one then. Let's put a minus sign in. So we've got 4c minus 5d when c is 5 and d is 3. So 4c is 4 times c, 5d is 5 times d. So let's change c off, 5 on, and d is 3. Now all we've got to do is work them out. 20 minus 15 gives us a total of 5. What if we got minus numbers then as one of the letters? Let's have a look. 11f minus 3g. Well, f is minus 2 and g is 4. So we just got to take care, as we always do with minus signs. 11 times minus 2 is minus 22. And then we've got a minus 3 times 4. Now 3 times 4 is 12. So we've got minus 22, and we're taking away an extra 12. So it's minus 34. Okay. And let's have a little look then. Do you remember you're adding and subtracting with negative numbers? Here's a little exercise for you to have a go at. Okay. Press pause, work out the answers, write them down in your booklet, and then check them once you've done them. Okay, how did it go? So just to remind you this, now 5 plus 9, well, we know that, that's 14. 5 minus 9, that's going to be minus 4. Minus 5 plus 9, so that'll be plus 4. Minus 5 minus 9 will be minus 14. We're starting at minus 5 and we're going further negative 9 in that case. Now 5 plus brackets minus 9, well that's the same as 5 minus 9. And we've got that above, it's minus 4. 5 minus minus 9, well that's the same as 5 plus 9, okay, which is 14. Minus 5 plus, and in brackets, minus 9. Well, the plus minus is the same as a minus. So the plus and the minus in front of the 9 work out to be an overall minus. So we've got minus 5 minus 9 minus 14. And the last one, minus 5 minus minus 9, well that's minus 5 plus 9, which is 4. So remember, minus and minus is the same as a plus. Okay, you're not going to come across all of those, but you just need to be aware of how we use negative numbers. So let's have a go on the exercise. What you have to do is just change the letter for the number. Let's do the first one together. 3x plus 4y, well we know that's 3 times x, 4 times y. Change the x for the 2, y for the 5, and we'll work it out. 3 2s is 6, 4 5s is 20. Add them up, 26. So there's 3 more like that, and then some exam type questions. Have a go at those. Press pause, press play when you want the answers. Good luck. How'd you get on then? 7a minus 4b. Well, a is 3, so let's swap that out. B is 5. Now 21 minus 20 gives us 1. Excellent. 5p plus 2q. So we've got q is minus 5 in this case. So p is 3, q is minus 5, and that's 15 minus 10, which is 5. So we've got quite a few minus signs here. Hopefully this didn't cause too many problems. Let's change U for -2 and V for 4. Now let's take it easy. Let's just do one bit at a time. 2 times -2, well, that's -4. And then we've got minus 3 times 4, so it's minus 3 fours is 12. Now -4 minus 12 is -16. Okay, so let's have a look at the exam type questions. And sometimes it's not going to be just an expression, but we're going to put values into a formula. Okay, that's what we're going to do on 5 and 6. So what we're going to do is change W for 20 and T for 4. So 3W will be 3 times 20, and 2T will be 2 times 4. 3 20s is 60, 2 4s is 8. Add them up, 68. And we get 2 marks for that, 1 for the answer and 1 for showing 3 times 20 plus 2 times 4. Similar thing, P is 5, so 3P is 3 times 5 plus 2R. Well, R stands for the number 4, so it's 2 times 4. 15 plus 8 is 23. So 5 and 6 are examples of using substitution into a formula. So let's get back to the expressions. Find the value of 3A minus 2B. A is -1, B is 5. So 3 times -1, and then we got minus 2 times 5. So 3 times -1, first of all, is -3, and then 2 times 5 is 10, and it's -10. -3 minus 10 is -13. Excellent. Let's have a look. Funny little question here for 1 mark. Circle either true or false when A equals 1, B equals 2, and C equals 3. A plus B plus C equals A, B, C. And this is off a recent paper, November 2017. So let's substitute in them. So A plus B plus C is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. A, B, C in a line like that means A times B times C. That's 1 times 2 times 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 does equal 6. It's true. And then the last one. Find the value of 2x plus 7y. Well, 2x is 2 times -3. That's -6. And I'm showing you how you can just write a little less, perhaps, and doing it this way. Plus 7y, 7 tens, and -6 plus 70 is 64. So there we go. Another bit of algebra under the belt, and that's substituting values into expressions and formulae. And that's it from me. I'll say good luck with the rest of the videos, and bye for now.